Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ivan into the Cryptoverse. So today we will talk about three items. The first one is about the XRP because we see the institution money flow in, okay? And then the next is about the Theta. So Theta is the old coin, the request from the followers, and the last is about the other coin. Okay, so the first one we will talk about the XRP. In my previous video yesterday I told you that there's gonna be the minor correction to going down before the price is going to up. You can see in here the price is going on since yesterday I told you, so it is the proven, and maybe the price is gonna go down a little bit until around to 1.27, and around this price, this value, and after this the price is gonna be go up again. Okay, so from this the price is still have a chance back to this level. Okay, why I put this level? Because you can see, wait a minute. Okay, so back to the first level is around 2.3 US dollar. Okay, so this is the first resistance. Okay, and why I told you that there is big institution money flow in, so you can check about the Google Trends. You can try. Let's check Google Trends. You put Ethereum, you put Bitcoin, XRP. Also, I put Theta just for the request, and you can see that. Look, XRP since 2025 until now, the XRP is beat the Ethereum. Look, the Ethereum in the blue color, you can see that when they have the second highest in 2022. Now, Ethereum is the third level because the XRP in the yellow color is going up since 2025. Why? Because the big institution cheap flow money in. And next, you can check to the Yahoo Finance. Based on the Yahoo Finance, you can see that based on survey from the Coinbase, 350 institutional investor fund, 18% already hold the XRP, and 25% plan to add by 2026. And then Goldman Sachs also leads the institutional XRP holder. Okay, and besides that, 65% survey institutions said regulatory clarity is the top factor behind the crypto exposure. So the Clarity Act. The Clarity Act is the very important because it's the regulation, and we need to buy the XRP. And the next one is the Clarity Act. You can see that the Clarity Act published by Kiel Gates, that you can check the filling up 15 September 4th. So if the Clarity Act is approved by 15 September, maybe there's going to be the big pump. Okay, that's why I told you in my previous video yesterday, I told you that there is gonna be the pump from the August, September, and the October. Okay, that's why it's very important to buy the dip now. As I told you, the price may be going down before it's back to the up. The first target is 2.3 USD. You have incremental around 100%. Okay, and how about the long term for the XRP? Okay, so I back to this one. Look, if you check for the XRP, okay, you draw up. Look, previously the XRP have this resistance, as I told you. This is the moving average. Okay, the moving average in here. Wait, let me draw for easier. Okay, this one. Look, this is the very strong resistance in here. That's why if you can break this area, and then it's gonna go up. And what is the next target? As I told you previously, that the very simple way to define the target, you can draw from this level, and then there's gonna be the big result is around this level, 0.6. And then if we can break this one, it's gonna be the second resistance in here, 2.7. So around this resistance. Okay, that's the XRP. And some question about what is about the dominance. You can see the dominance, the XRP, you can see in this. Look, XRP like this one. We are using the Fibonacci retracement in here that we already hit the first target about the XRP. Where? This one. 0.5 in here, and then there is a correction in here. Okay, so we have the correction after we hit this target, and the next target is back to this one. Okay, that's why about the XRP dominance, I'm very positive because we have what? Big indication, the Google Trends showing that the XRP is flipping the Ethereum, while the Ethereum is a mother of altcoin. That's why XRP is very promising. And then the next, to answering about the Theta. Okay, so the Theta, it's gonna be the very challenging. Why? Because the Theta in here, you can see the top all-time high Theta is 2021. It's 5 years ago, and somehow Theta Core cannot survive. And what's the problem? For the technical analysis, you can check that if you draw the Fibonacci from this one to this one, and then you can find that 0.5 in here. So look about this one, 0.5, you refer to this Fibonacci, and then you can check this is the very resistant. The moment we break this support or resistance, the price is still down until now. Previously, you can see that we can sustain. Look in here. In here, the price is going up. Again, sorry. In here, the price is going up. And then the last one, in here, we cannot hold. That's why the price is going down. Okay, I will remove this first for easier. Wait a second. Look, okay. So this is the issue because we cannot hold this one, and the result is price is going down again until now. And then the question, can we to pump this first? Can we? I think it's possible. We have maybe back to this level around, you have 200% in here, but 200% from current price. And if you're going down to the bottom local in here, the price already for 3.400%. The problem, the price when you break from this level to this level, it's already minus 77%. That's why when you have dropped 77%, but if you pay the bottom, it can be 300%. But when you ask, can we go up from this level? That's the big question. Okay, so my question first is I want to ask you about this one. Okay, wait, I will remove the drawing. Okay, so my question is, when the price is going up in here, wait, let me take a brush. Okay, when the price is going up in here, back then in 2020, the Bitcoin, this is the Bitcoin, okay, so you can check this one. So this is the Bitcoin, the look is up ahead, and this is the Bitcoin also. The pattern of the Bitcoin is same, going up, it's going up. And then when this going down, you can see that we have the price also going down. Okay, but what's the problem? Look, when we have 2023, the price is going up in here. This is also same. The price for the Theta also going up. However, we have the real problem. The real problem is when the price, wait, sorry. Okay, the real problem is from this moment. Okay, I put a color in the yellow. When the Bitcoin still going up in here, the Theta is going down. Okay, so there is a shifting, the market shifting. Why the market is shifting? Because so many altcoins in the market, and somehow the response is very negative. Because since December 24, there is a market shifting where the Bitcoin is going up and the Theta is going down until now. Okay, so my question is, what happened after this cutoff? Okay, because the price still going down. That's why I want to tell you that if you want to still hold Theta or still buying the Theta, you need to comply about the moving average. So look this one. This is the moving average. So you can check that when the price is all time from the what you call it, moving average. So when the price is moving average, the pattern is going down. Okay, when the price is above the moving average and the price going down. So I believe there is gonna be the big pump for the Bitcoin. As I told you in the previous video, okay, go first, that I told you about the this pump. The bull run start August until October around this target. Okay, so the target's gonna be, I put you around 19 until 100K target bull run next 3 months. Okay, therefore we still have the time to pump in here. Okay, so around 30% for the Bitcoin. That's why I'm waiting for the Theta. So you still have chance. Maybe Theta can go up back to around this one. So hopefully around 300%. Hopefully. So Theta around this price. And then we are mimicking like this one. Like this one. And then after the price is going up in here. And then it's going down again. Okay. So that's the big plan. So if you don't have the Theta, just don't buy Theta. But if you have the Theta, hopefully this is the last pump. The last pump about the Theta before it's going down again. Okay, I think that's for today. Thank you for watching. Maybe the next video I will talk about the progress about the other coin like the Solana, like the Ethereum, maybe about the Hyperliquid because Hyperliquid is all-time high. Okay, so it's very good signal for the hype coin. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Thank you.